In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add line items in Jobber. Let's walk through this process together so you can get a good grasp of how to efficiently manage your line items within this powerful app. First off, you'll want to search for Jobber in your preferred internet browser. Type it in the search bar, find the official website, and click your way to it. Once you've accessed the site, you'll need to log in. If you're new to Jobber, you'll have the option to sign up instead, so make sure you're all set with your account details before moving forward. After logging in, you'll find yourself within the Jobber app. Here, focus your attention on the particular task you're working on. This might be an invoice you're preparing, a quote you're drafting, or a job you're managing. Each of these will have a dedicated area for line items. Look for a section that highlights line items, which is usually easy to spot due to a plus button or a header that reads Line Items. To add a new line item, clicking on the plus button is your next step. It's quite straightforward. Once you've tapped on this button, a window or a new section will appear, prompting you to either choose from your existing list of products and services or add something custom. This flexibility allows you to tailor line items to suit the specific needs of your task. Now, when it comes to filling out the details for each line item, there are several segments to pay attention to. You'll need to input the name of the item followed by a description. Make sure the description is clear, optimizing it to provide all necessary information at a glance. Then, add the unit price, which is essential for the correct calculation of totals. Don't forget to include the quantity and specify the service date if necessary. All these details ensure accuracy and efficiency, especially when invoicing clients or offering quotes. If you need to make adjustments to a line item you've already added, no worries. Just tap on the line item in question. This will open the editing options, allowing you to make changes. You can modify any of the fields, whether it's the name, description, unit price, quantity, or service date. Make sure the changes align with what's actually required for the task or project at hand. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, remember to save your changes. This step ensures that all your efforts in adding or editing line items are successfully applied to the invoice, quote, or job you are working on. Saving your work not only preserves your input, but also streamlines future access for both yourself and any team members involved. And there you have it, a clear and practical guide to adding line items in Jobber. With these steps, you should feel confident navigating through your tasks in the Jobber app efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.